So today, guys, in my newest video,
it is time for another thrift store upcycled project. Oh yeah. Reina has just picked up these two wooden frames with mirrors in the middle.
We bought these mirrors at the thrift store.
The idea for this one is fairy mirrors.
So we're gonna decorate them today and hopefully they look cool.
Oh yeah.
Put your gloves on.
Oh yeah.
These are our ingredients. So we're starting with moss that we collected from Lake Tahoe. We have some bark that we collected from his old house / many other places. We have a collection of beads and crystals.
Yeah.
We have some seashells. We have some more moss. We have some more bark. And in this special little box, dun 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 dun, we have a collection of a bunch of dried flowers. Oh, and then we have some twigs. So that's what we are working with. So we don't have enough wood pieces, but well, we do. We could work with this, but we want to go see if we can find more wood pieces. So we're going to do that. These are some good pieces for our house. Like, these are a lot of good pieces. Honestly. Look, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Just go outside and literally, you can find so many articles. Ooh, that's a good. That we just thought. You guys just saw him a minute ago. He's gone. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure we're done with collecting bark now. I want to get a couple pine cones and then we're ready to head back into the studio.
Which way should I hang it?
We're not done, but we're close. I look at the first one. Wait, that was the first one?
Yeah.
Oh no, I look at the other way. And then this is mine. Da, 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 da. We're gonna add a bunch of flowers to it now. Da, 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 da. Here we have it. A Reina Luna original. So unique. Yes. I'm hungry.
Me too. So yeah, let me show you what we made. Here they are. Hold up now. Whoa. Wait a minute. Were you really about to just click off this video without liking or subscribing? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.